Hey, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Enlighten video. In today's video, we go over the ndau knowledge base for how to recover your ndau wallet. ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a new category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for a long-term store of value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 13% on a 1-year locked account in your wallet app. For more information, go to the ndau.io website. In today's video, we are going to review the ndau knowledge base for how to recover your ndau wallet. First and foremost, the most important part of your ndau journey is understanding that your ndau recovery phrase is your ndau. It is cryptographically and permanently associated with all the ndau accounts in that particular ndau wallet. Once this 12-word recovery phrase is created, it cannot be changed. ndau is a true bearer asset, and your recovery phrase is the key to your ndau and should be written down and secured in a safety deposit box and potentially with a lawyer for estate planning purposes. What do I do if I lose my ndau wallet password or delete my wallet app? If you lose or forget your ndau wallet password, then you won't be able to log into your ndau wallet. Onero does not store your wallet password for security reasons, but don't worry, as you can completely recover your wallet using your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is the 12-word phrase you wrote down during your initial wallet setup. If you delete or lose your ndau wallet, you can recover it using your recovery phrase. Reinstall the ndau wallet and click the Recover a Wallet button. Enter your recovery phrase and your ndau wallet will be restored on that new phone. What if I lose my 12-word recovery phrase, but I can still log in to my ndau wallet using the wallet password? If you cannot find your recovery phrase, but can still log in to your ndau wallet, we recommend you immediately create a new ndau wallet on a new mobile device and to send your ndau from your existing wallet with the lost recovery phrase to the new wallet. Be sure to write down and save the new recovery phrase for the new wallet. Remember, if your ndau is locked, you will not be able to transfer it anywhere until the lock period ends. The ndau wallet does not allow a user to view the recovery phrase within the wallet app. This was a design decision for additional security. For example, if someone had unauthorized access to your wallet app and could view the recovery phrase from within the wallet app, then they could write it down and potentially recover your entire wallet on their own phone without your knowledge. For maximum security, the recovery phrase is only ever displayed to the user when initially creating the wallet. What if I lose both my 12-word recovery phrase and my wallet password, or if my recovery phrase is stolen? Onero does not store your wallet password or recovery phrase for security reasons. You will always be able to recover your ndau if you have saved the recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is your ndau. If you lose that recovery phrase and also cannot log into your ndau wallet because you lost your wallet password, then you have lost all the ndau in that wallet forever. That is important to note. Your recovery phrase is your ndau. Whoever has your recovery phrase has full access to all your ndau and can recover your ndau wallet on their own mobile device. We recommend you store your recovery phrase very securely. If you'd like more information, go to the www.ndau.io website, as well as like and subscribe for another weekly ndau Enlighten video. If you haven't done so already, download the most updated version of the ndau wallet and write a review. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.